movie Her is being re-released in theaters. Some of you might be excited to see it again. The story takes place in the year 2025, where a lonely man falls in love with an AI operating system. Surprisingly, we are now actually living in 2025, and just like in a movie, AI is no longer science fiction. We interact with AI every day, talking to it, rely on it, even sharing feelings with it. But that raises a question. What does it really cost to create an AI like Samantha? To run AI system like ChatGPT, thousands of servers must work around the clock. That means huge amount of electricity and water are used, and large amount of carbon are released into the atmosphere. So, every question we casually ask a chatbot might actually be slowly warning the planet. Recent data show that 88% of people have chatted with an AI chatbot at least once in the past year. As AI become more popular, its energy use and carbon emissions are rising too. We are living in a time when invisible technology could be quietly exhaust the earth.
Let's start with a shocking fact. Training OpenAI's GPT-3 used about 1,287 megawatt-hours of electricity and emitted over 500 tons of CO2. That's equivalent to what one person emits in 100 years. And it's not just the training. Just creating one AI-generated image uses about the same energy as fully charging a smartphone. A typically ChatGPT conversation with 25 to 50 prompts that uses about half a liter of water just for cooling the servers. So the next time you ask ChatGPT to write a poem or summarize a PDF, remember, there's an invisible environmental cost behind it. Generative AI models like ChatGPT consume 4 to 5 times more energy than a regular internet search. This means they not only use more electricity, they also cause more CO2 emissions, contributing to rising global temperatures. Climate change is already here. Since pre-industrial times, Earth's temperature has risen by 1.55 degrees Celsius. The more energy we use for AI, the faster that number rises, leading to more extreme weather, melting ice caps, and rising seas. Thankfully, the international community is not ignoring this. Countries around the world are pledging carbon neutrality by 2050, guided by global agreements like the Kyoto Protocol and the Paris Agreement. The IPCC's sixth assessment report warns us that urgent action is needed, and in April 2023, the OECD offered solutions. Optimize machine learning models, use more efficient hardware, designing data centers with the environment in mind, and most importantly, build AI with low carbon goals from the start. These strategies could cut AI-related emissions by over 50%.
Thankfully, some governments and companies are starting to respond. In the United States, they've introduced a law called the Artificial Intelligence Environmental Impact Act to study and monitor the environmental effect of AI. They are also building more data centers powered by renewable energy and cooling for better power. Infrastructure for the growing AI industry. In South Korea, they are working to meet AI energy's demand through expanded renewable energy, and they are using AI to help create carbon neutral energy cities. Companies are designing more energy efficient AI systems, and individuals like us can make a difference too by using digital tools more thoughtfully. Even small changes can lead to real impact. We ask AI questions every day, but before we hit send, what if we paused to think? Does this question leave a carbon footprint? As technology evolves, we need to become more responsible users. People who care not just about what AI can do, but also about how it affects the world we live in. Thanks for joining us.